Yo, my sister, can we make it an inquiry? That was, we get further statements from like witnesses about what happened.
Yes, but you're okay, Baba. The people who are there, the production company who investigated themselves, are saying that nobody saw it because people were on the other side of the camera. Mina, I believe somebody saw it, but I think they're not going to come up because they want to keep their work. Regardless, he admitted to doing it. He admitted to assaulting me. He admitted to thrusting me. And he admitted it in front of people.
Who are those people? Are they willing to give me a statement, my sister?
They should. I don't know if they would be willing, but I also have correspondence that indicates that this is what happened and they were present. I have correspondence that indicates Uguti people were aware of what was going on.
Oh, when you say correspondence, what is that? What do you mean?
Like WhatsApp messages, emails indicating from the production company that they would facilitate an apology because they witnessed the admission of guilt.
As I'm saying, who are those people who were there when they admitted to that thing?
It's the two directors and the producer as well as some of the crew. But I don't know the crew by name. I only know the directors and the producer.
And the producers?
Yes.
Okay, do you have their numbers?
I have one of their numbers.
One of them numbers. Okay, it's fine, my sister. And then whenever you feel that's how you feel. But remember, in this instance, we're not going to arrest anyone. We are going to get what you call statements and check and take it to court and see what the court will decide. No?
Yes, that's fine. That's fine. Because I was told that it would be a civil matter because the production company said that they would facilitate an apology. So, whichever, I was also told somewhere they would make an inquiry because it's complicated. But I don't think it's that complicated because he did it. He assaulted me, and there were witnesses to the admission of guilt. So it's a labor case as much as it is a civil, as much as it is a criminal case.
But I just want to be honest, when a criminal, my sister, is going to be very difficult to prove it.
That's fine. That's fine. It can be a civil case because the production company said that they would facilitate an apology. So now, because I was waiting, because this happened in September last year, I've been waiting for them to organize that apology.
September last year.
Yes, September last year. So since that time, nothing has happened, and we followed up multiple times, and they kept saying that they're gonna do something. Now they are saying they're not gonna do anything. So they said I must come to the cops and report this matter, which is what I'm doing now.
Remember, we don't do civil matters, we do criminal matters, my sister.
Yes, I understand, but I'm here at the cops because I was told to come here.
No, my sister. As I'm saying, I want to learn for an inquiry before you go by criminal matter so that you can get further investigation. Because I want to my sister, thrusting, that's not sexual assault, thrusting, but I'm trying to get somewhere, a book there to check.
What do you? Yeah, okay, but so.
Remember, my sister, you were in a scene. You were acting and you were doing what you call a rape scene.
Yes, Baba, but what you're not understanding is that we were not meant to perform the rape. There was not meant to be any simulation of the act. So the boundary was very clear. So I don't understand when you say just because we're in a scene. It was
as I'm saying, I'm trying to check with yes. You know what, my sister? It's about communication to take it from there because, I don't want to associate, but I'm going to be honest with you, I'm not promising anything. It's going to go forward this case, ne?
Okay, no, but I need us to be clear that we both, because if you don't believe that this is sexual assault, then how are you going to be motivated to take it to court?
Listen, I heard you are doing what you call investigation.
Yes, Baba, but
and an investigation is we have to obtain statements.
Yes.
Yes, and then from there the court will decide what is the way forward like this.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm not the one who's going to decide. It's the court who's going to decide.
Or is going to decide whether this was sexual assault or not.
Or what? Yes, we can open the case, my sister. We are not saying we're not going to open the case. Hear me right? Yeah?
Yes, I hear you, Baba, but
Ubongo Khoza odume ngomqhele njengamanje kuvele insolo zokuthi yena wani kube zingane allegedly kuyisearch Red Ink. Mina engishoyo ukuthi lama sexini lawa vela nesicefe. Anesicefe lama sexini enziwa la ema movie nangazi ama sexini ani mfethu. Yonke bese into eyenzakalayo njengamanje even go Netflix. Sonke storyline sine sexini. Ngiyaunderstand ke mfethu ukuthi mhlawumbe abantu bethintane or just a small kiss or friend kiss just to show, but manje netho la abasatshengisi niyasekuqala njengo generation labantu abasebenza into fethu like ubona na uthi manje like lana sesibuka abantu bengaqhokile and akekho umuntu osifazana ongathanda ukuthintwa ngale ndlela yabo. Baningi abasezoqhamuka bekhuluma bethi nami ngenze ukuthi yabo lama 16 bethu awazi idingo sawasikho vele into efuna uyibuka istory akusabuke lutho le ayibuke nezingane leyanto ayibuke nje nezingane ayibuke inhlobo nezingane and uthola ukuthi umjida waye kwi character ethulandela iscript uthola ukuthi ingane leyayithi yona ayinolo yona ingeke comfortable but engezinqaba umsebenzi yabo tutho o director bathi batshela umjida ukuthi ayino pusha kakhulu mfethu yenza sho ukuthi i character sifuna uyidlale kanje umjida edlale kanjalo i character thinteke kabi ingane yabo. That's why no director uthola ukuthi kulezi insolo bayahlehla bona because bayazi ukuthi umjida usukenza into ayitshela o director ukuthi kumele mbambe, it must look so real yabo because it's the book, right? And that's why behlehla bona bebezomdayisa phela umjida ubongo Khoza bebezothi asazi wenzani ngoba ingane yasho ukuthi allegedly bebekwenza phambi ko director. It's pretty obvious umjida wayelandela instruction yo director ukuthi okay, we want you to play this character sifuna udlale ibuke ngathi into yangampela and umjida uyi-actor wayibamba ingane ngampela indlela i-director sho ngayo ingane yangaba comfortable. Ingane emicomplain o director bathe njama nje lana kuya actor yabo. So nje izinto kanjalo akekho umuntu osifazana ongathanda ukuthintwa kanje. Ngibona khona manje enye nje kade ngibuka telenovela kuthiwa Izoza yabo inosiduma umtshali. Ngithi into ebuka kuqala kuthi uJonas unama sexing adulting yabo umjolo angathi umjolo from Netflix wathiwa lezi zinto zabo zonke zama sexing and bonke labantu laba dude akekho umuntu ongathanda ukuveza umzimba wakhe uvelela umhlaba wonke. Akekho umuntu ongathanda ukuveza umzimba wakhe uvelela umhlaba wonke and baningi abantu abasezongena inkingeni ngenxa yalento. Baningi ama actors azongena inkingeni ngenxa yalento. Aba actors nje athanda ukushaya ama sexing kakhulu uzoba kuthi ethi omunye umuntu wangibamba kanje nami basazoboshwa nje bazophelelwa ama career amajidi. Mumsithe ungayithathi leyo role leyo lento futhi ibukeka njenge humiliation ritual nje mfethu like isidingo sawo mina ngisiboni mfethu angisiboni sometimes akuhambisana ne storyline mfethu akuhambisana ne storyline inhlobo uyabona ukuthi okay ayidinga yonke nje kushaka ilembe mfethu asikisidingo ukuthi kuvele mfethu yonke into yabo bese ikhatha sebandula asikisidingo ukuthi uvele ama sexing kushaka ilembe but benza sure bayawaveza yabo. It's not like marketing but ziningi izinto sibuka nje sasibuka kwakhala nyonini nobambo lwama ama sexing zengekho izidayisa lezo story kuthiwa manje ama sexing adayisa no ilabo director nje abathanda ukugangela bayigangela nje bona bakhohlakele bona yabo elumjida abantu ugaxele encane wayelandela instruction yo director allegedly hayi yabo lengane nje manje isiyaveza ukuthi ayingekho comfortable lapha iyaveza manje i-career yomjito gone phindi fani career yomjito ngenxani nxa kulelo director ama character amajito awakhethayo engakhetha ama character afani yabo akhetha ama character afani ngoba like akekho umuntu ongathanda ukuthintwa ngale yabo ngibula abasexini zakhona ukuthi no phela lana mfethu sokuthi the only thing esingayibona i-private party kuphela but yonke into sisiyayibona manje and ayikho right leyo nto ayikho right awekho nje right mina in my opinion ngabe nje bawakhantela lama sexing.
Hello family, ndiyathemba ni right. Namhlanje ngifuna sithathe ngendaba ye-acting. Ndiyohlala nisitsho ke ndithi i-acting ayiyo yamuntu wonke and futhi as umuntu ufuna ukuzi-understand ukuba kukhona izinto ezingezo zakho sidalwe ngendlela engafaniyo and uThixo une-purpose ethile ngamuntu wonke. Ilizwe ke le entertainment nje ilinabo ubudimoni nje obukhulu iwesipha kwa-acting. Uthi ke uNirvana uleya i-charges okanye okay uthi ke in fact she was violated by uBonko during i-shooting ka-Red Ink le ibidlala ku-Showmax. So eyona ndawo endifuna uxela kuyo ke kwi-video beyi-uploadile ku-Instagram ebonisa uba beke wabhalela uDesiree emxelela ngesisehlo. Uthi ke wathiwa xa ejustifya i-act kaBonko kwathiwa he was in character ngoku enze lento. Uthi ke ngoku intombazana so phayana kwakukhona imela nentoni what if mhlambi waye wamgwaza nomgwaza ngenxa kulo scene leyo. Le scene ke guys nibi scene yocansi okanye yokwabelana ngesondo. Andifuna ubuza ke amagama English because enza ivideo ithathwe down ku TikTok. So yi-scene enjalo leyo. Masi jonge la ndawo ethi ebekwi-character lomfana ngokenza lonto. Xa be-explaina indaba ye-acting abantu aba-actayo bathi ke wena you are channeling ispirit salo mntu um-actayo, like when you just a vessel for that particular spirit salo mntu u-acta into yakhe. In defense ke uBonko uthi ke ngoku enza la violence kulaa ntombazana ibingenguye Bonko, ibila character. Uyayiva ke ngoku loo nto ithetha ukuthini loo nto? Ithetha ukubana baseriskini enkulu abantu aba-actayo yokuncanyathelwa ngalamadimoni wezi characters bazenzayo, ngoba ngoku ukwisuphu enkulu e-affecta yena as Bonko ekungazuthethwa ngecharacter yaku-Red Ink, kuzawuthethwa ngaye siqu ukuba uviolate omnye umntana. That's how demonic that thing is. Njengoba ndisithi funeka uzazi zomntu uba izinto ezithile azikufanelanga, khangabuye ku-The Wife kwenye season ngenxa yoba wayeba frustrated, waye-depressed yindaba yoba ngumqhele, ingathi it was affecting him nasendlini. So ezi zinto akudlalwa nje, ziyabosulela because zi-spirits zikaSathana ezifuna ukuphila apha emhlabeni. Ukuze ke zikwazi ukuphila apha emhlabeni zidinga ii-bodies because i-spirits asikho allowed uba siphile apha kwi-physical world. Funeke singene emntwini simanifeste through that. So let me act ofike kuthiwe yi-fiction, ewe ngoba kaloku ngamadimoni nawo they want to know how it feels like ukuphila enyameni, so baphila through aba bantu. We need to be careful. And ke ngoku ezi zinto nje mabezenza aku-actwa azi-affecti aba-acti bodwa, zi-affecta nathi thina babulalayo because they cast spells njengoba besenza lento. Abanikazi bezi movies and series and ntoni bayayazi bona lento bayenzayo most yabo, and funeke bawine i-souls to the devil ngokuba kudlalwe ezi zinto zabo.
I'm never going back to acting. I will never put myself in a position where I'm being told that my body is not mine. I'm never gonna put myself in an ecosystem that isn't sustainable. I'm not gonna waste my precious life just to be seen by millions of people across the continent, dare I say even the world. I'm seeing my body in GBV, South Africa.